Hello everyone, welcome to my creation nook. My name's Linda, and today, would you believe I've got a little yarn haul from Deramores, and I was clearing out my closet and whatever, and I thought, oh, what's that bag in there? And this is my Deramores, and I didn't realise, I forgot actually that it had arrived. Would you believe I forgot? Oh dear. I know that I've ordered Myburgh because I was able to get them on special offer, and that's what I do when I'm buying my expensive, I would say, yarns. I wait till, you know, they're on special offer. And I just completely forgot, because when they came everything was up in the air, and I just threw it in the closet, and I was kind of sorting out stuff in the closet and I found it. It's not very big, but do you do things like that? I mean, I've got quite a few of Myburgh. I mean, these are, this is the Wales Road. I've already I've purchased these ages ago, and this is ochre, but it's a finger weight, and that both of them are finger weight, and you know finger weight's my absolute favourite, and I do like 3-weight as well, but I do love my finger weight. It's my ultimate favourite. But I've ordered some of Angela's yarn from Ply Yarns, and one of them's called something about a gnome. I can't remember what it's called now. Oh, Exploding Gnome. And there was another one I ordered as well. I can't remember which one that was, but I've ordered yarn from Angela, which Daniel from Ply Guys purchased. So anyway, let's open this, shall we? Let's see what we've got in here. Get my scissors out. But I thought I'd share with you. I just completely forgot that I had I knew I'd ordered it, obviously, but I completely forgot that it had arrived. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, I need to get in touch with them and find out where my yarn is. And it's in the cupboard. So, ooh, look at this one, guys. This is called Perea, and if you can see, it's like a bluey, it's like a stone blue, but with brown in it. It's like a blue and brown. Now, blue and brown are my favourite colour combination. I just love them. So I've got 2 of them. Lovely. And then I kind of really like rich tones, you know, rich dark tones. And this is called Cerise or Cerise. But if you can see, it's like the darker and light shades of the for me, I would call that a wine colour, or a very, very deep red. And I'll tell you about the yarn. They call it a sock yarn, but it's made by MyburghYarn.com. It's a finger weight. There's 440 yards, 402 metres. There's 100 grams here, and it says 30 to 32 inches equals stitches equals 4 inches. US 1 or 3, or a 2.25 to a 3.25 crochet hook, and it's 100% superwash merino. And it says the weight is in the name of this lightweight kettle dyed yarn, spun from our luxurious merino and treated to make a machine washable for easy care. Now, I wouldn't wash this in the washing machine, to be honest. I would definitely hand wash my wearables and my either knitted or crocheted projects. It's a range of semi-solid and watercolour multicolourways fashions this delightful yarn in a particular favourite for shawls and scarves. Machine washable, cold water, gentle cycle, do not tumble dry and dry flat. So yeah, so this is called 033. I'm going to go with Cerise. So that's the rich wine colour, and I got 2 of them, and they will make a really pretty poncho shawl. And I have ordered a book. Are they this? Hold on, have they sent me the same? 033. 033, yeah, they're the same. See, one looks lighter than the other, but I think that's the nature of the yarn. So that's them. And then this one is called Plier 871. Exactly the same. It's a finger weight, and I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, so the projects for me to do in the future, they're a finger weight, and I love, love, love them. So that is all from me for today. Do you like, a quick question for you, do you like all one colour, or do you like it like this, variegated and with other colours? I like both actually. I would say, yeah, I definitely like both. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.